In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best sander for sheetrock, selected for their control, ergonomic design, and dust management, making drywall finishing faster and cleaner for every renovation project, in both residential and commercial settings. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started.
Number 1. WEN DW5084 Sander. The WEN DW5084 Sander is a versatile and thoughtfully designed tool that suits both DIY users and professionals who want flexibility in one compact machine. Its variable speed control, ranging from 600 to 1500 RPM, allows users to adjust sanding intensity based on the surface, whether working on delicate finishes or removing tougher material. One of its standout features is the 2-in-1 design, which includes both triangular and circular hook and loop sanding heads. This dual head setup makes it easy to switch between corners, edges, and broader flat areas without needing extra tools, saving time and effort during projects. The 5-amp head-mounted motor delivers strong torque directly to the sanding pad, resulting in consistent performance and reduced stalling, even under pressure. Dust management is another strong point, as the improved hole configuration enhances dust collection and keeps the workspace cleaner, which is especially helpful for indoor jobs. While the round sanding head requires compatible DW series replacement sandpaper, this limitation is offset by the precision and efficiency the system provides. Number 2. Bosch GTR55 Sander. The Bosch GTR55 Sander is engineered with professional drywall work in mind, offering advanced features that significantly reduce fatigue and improve efficiency. Designed specifically for sanding drywall, mud, and plaster on walls and ceilings, this tool excels in overhead applications where comfort matters most. The ultra-flexible head glides smoothly across surfaces, reducing the risk of gouging while allowing effortless movement, even on uneven areas. One of the most impressive features is the ceiling suction mode, which uses airflow to help support the tool's weight during overhead sanding, noticeably easing strain on the arms and shoulders. The ergonomic T-handle grip further enhances comfort and control, especially during long sessions. With a quick-release extension pole, users can easily adjust the length when switching between ceilings and walls, removing unnecessary weight when full reach is not required. All controls, including power, RPM, and airflow, are positioned for easy access without changing grip, which improves workflow and safety. The speed selector adds versatility by allowing precise adjustment for different materials and finishes.
Number 3. Drywall 1800 RPM Sander. The Drywall 1800 RPM Sander is a high-power solution designed for users who need efficiency, reach, and excellent dust control in one comprehensive package. Powered by a 780-watt pure copper motor, this sander delivers strong and consistent performance, making quick work of drywall, ceilings, walls, and even stubborn coatings. One of its most appealing aspects is the advanced dust collection system, which captures over 95% of dust when used with the included hose and dust bag, creating a cleaner and healthier work environment. The option to connect to a shop vacuum using the extended flexible tube further enhances dust management. Its patented fixing lock structure keeps the sanding head properly aligned, reducing strain during sealing work and ensuring smoother, more even results. The 360-degree rotating sanding disc allows easy access to corners and awkward angles, minimizing the need for repositioning. With 7 variable speed settings from 900 to 1800 RPM, users can fine-tune performance based on the surface and task. Number 4. SKIL SR2 Sander. The SKIL SR2 Sander is a compact yet capable tool designed for comfort, control, and consistent performance across a range of sanding tasks. Equipped with a 2.8-amp motor delivering up to 13,000 orbits per minute, it provides smooth and efficient material removal on wood, metal, and painted surfaces. Variable speed control allows users to match power output to the task, improving results on both delicate finishes and tougher jobs. One of its notable features is the X-Flow dust collection system, which uses cyclone force to capture dust in a transparent, easy-to-empty container, helping maintain a cleaner workspace. The ergonomic design, combined with a soft rubber grip and counterweight ballast, significantly reduces vibration, allowing for longer work sessions with less hand fatigue. Its compact size makes it especially useful for sanding in tight or hard-to-reach areas where larger sanders struggle. The dust-sealed on-off switch adds convenience and durability, ensuring reliable operation even in dusty conditions. Overall, the SKIL SR2 offers a strong balance of power, comfort, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for homeowners and hobbyists who want dependable performance in a user-friendly and affordable package.
Number 5. Sheetrock USG Sander. The Sheetrock USG Sander is a simple yet highly effective tool designed specifically for drywall professionals and serious DIY users who value reliability and ease of use. Its no-flip pole sander head is a major advantage as it stays firmly in position during sanding, eliminating the frustration of constant head rotation. Built with a universal coarse thread female collar, it fits standard painter's poles, broomsticks, or extension handles, giving users flexibility to choose their preferred reach. The added set screw in the collar ensures the head remains securely attached, preventing loosening during extended use. Quick-release clamps make sandpaper or sanding screen changes fast and hassle-free while holding the material firmly in place during operation. Although the handle is not included, this head-only design allows users to pair it with existing poles, reducing overall cost. Known for durability and ergonomic design, the USG Sheetrock brand brings trusted quality to this tool, making it suitable for demanding job site conditions. Overall, the Sheetrock USG Sander is a practical, no-nonsense solution that focuses on control, stability, and efficiency, making it an excellent addition to any drywall finishing setup.
And that wraps up the top 5 best sander for Sheetrock. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.